How to fix Battlegrounds lobby screen issue on Windows 10. If your Battlegrounds game just went into the lobby screen, but the game did not start successfully, try the following steps. Step 1. Run the tslgame.exe at c:\program files, x86, /steam /steam apps /common /pubg /tslgame /binaries /win64 with the administrator privileges. Right-clicking on the application would do the trick. Step 2. Run the app-go to library-battleground line-right-click-select properties. Then select local files tab-select game integrity check.